part 2. Well, kind of like part 2. The kitty is in the suitcase. I repeat. Hi, kitty. What is it trying to do? It's like his little home, but he lives in the suitcase. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. Now where's he going? Oh, he's under a table. What are you doing? Meow? Uh-oh. Ew. Oh, he's trying to... Watch this. Oh. Wait, is that where you brought him in?
Nope.
Does he know any tricks? Man, this claw's hurt. Ow. That was not cool.
What happened?
He literally put his paw through there and scratched me.
That's what he does.
Hey, that's not cool. That hurt. Like a lot.
Mom, do you want to watch this?
This kitty does not like me. I don't think he likes cameras, so come rate, subscribe.